Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in the WeatherBug app. Step 1. On your phone home screen, look for WeatherBug icon. Tap the app to open it. Step 2. Once the app open, look for the menu or profile icon, usually in the top right or top left corner. Tap on it. You should see an option that says login or sign up. Tap that. Step 3. You will now see two boxes, one for email, one for your password. Tap the email box and tap your email, then tap the password box, then tap your password. Step 4. After entering your details, tap the login button. If everything is correct, the app will open your WeatherBug account. Step 5. Sometimes the app may ask for permission to use your location. Tap allow while using app so it can show weather for your area. Step 6. You can now see your weather, dashboard, radar, alerts and all your saved locations. And that's it. That's how you log in to the WeatherBug app on your phone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.